On this episode of Monday Maintenance, I need to replace the throwout bearing and do some wiring work. So let's remove the rear bumper. I need to remove the apron so I can get to the bumper bolts. Back on that bumper. Woohoo! Time to disconnect the wiring and the battery. Time to remove the top bolt. Look at the size of that extension. Let's do the other side. Let's get the bottom nuts. Time to undo the heater cables and hoses. Let's jack up the whole bus for belly room. Remove the breather line. Clamp off the fuel line. Remove the accelerator cable. Remove the throwout bearing. Man, it's hammered. Do some cleaning. Time to install the new one. Let's tighten the accelerator tube. Check the gas lines and overlook the motor. Time to do some wiring for the onboard air. I need to make a wire loom. Shrink tube the main wire. Installing the loom. Drilling a hole for the switch, double side tank. Making the wires for the switch. Soldering the connections. Installing the switch. Fastening wire from main switch to pressure switch. Cleaning the double-sided tape burrs. Tightening the top plate screws on the carburetor. Dry lube on the linkage. Install air cleaner. Time to put the engine in. Put accelerator cable in tube. Attach fuel line. Align engine. Start bottom nuts. Then tighten. Time for the upper nut. Let's do the upper bolt now. Fasten the heater cables. Time for the heater tubes. This heater tube's kicking my butt. Prepping the bumper mounts. Here comes the bumper. I need the jack to help me out. Wiggle it to get those splash pan bolts in. Time for the hearse guards. Almost done. The apron. Hook up the wiring and battery cable. Don't forget the accelerator cable. Start it up. Vroom, 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 vroom. Wow, sounds good.